Primarily found in the forests of North America, ranging from the boreal forests of Canada to the northern parts of the United States. Now, they prefer dense, mature forests with plenty of tree cover. And this can consist of conifers that you'll find up in the boreal forest, so all the evergreens, or down in the northern United States, it's a mixture of conifers and other hardwood trees. The key thing is that they have to have many hollow trees in that forest for dens. A fisher is going to avoid an area with little or no canopy cover. So that would include things like fields or areas that have been heavily logged.